Welcome to the video. In today's video, we are about to break the rules of physics. It sounds like a bold statement, right? But this is true. In an experiment, scientists have found this result. And this is going against our knowledge, against our understanding about time. So in this experiment, what is there? An atomic cloud means a system is there where atoms are present, photon is present, and time was noted down during the experiment. And what we know about time? We know time flows from past to present to future. This is the way. That means time flows in only one direction. That is known to us. And that is known to everybody. Okay. Whether you know science or not, but this is known to everybody. That time flows only in one direction. From past to present and from present to future. That is the direction of time. But in this experiment, something strange happened. Something strange happened. There was a system in this experiment involved photon. You know photon. Photon means particles of light, and which moves at the speed of light. Means photons move in vacuum with the speed of light, which is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second, or 3 lakh kilometer per second. Very fast speed. But in this experiment, what happened? This experiment was recently conducted by Angulo, Thomson, Nixon and their team. And during this experiment, they found that photon entered the system where there were atoms present in the system known as, here denoted as atomic cloud. So photon entered the system and then exited from the system. But the time of exit occurred before it even entered the system. Yes, time of exit before it enters the system. That was noted down by the scientists. That means in this experiment what we are getting, that time flows in the backward direction. So this is the negative concept of time. There is one effect in physics known as Cross-Kerr effect. There also that is the non-linear interaction of photon with matter. So what happens actually when light when light moves, means when photon particles move, what happens? When photon particles moves, and if the photon particles encounter any material or any surface of the material, then what happens? Either it is absorbed or reflected or passes through the material. Okay, or all three can happen simultaneously. Transmission, absorption, as well as reflection. All these three can happen simultaneously. That is known fact. That is known to science. Okay. But here in this experiment, something strange happened. You know, if there is a system, if photons enter the system and then after some time exit the system. So there is some delay in time. There should be some time which will be noted by our clocks, which is the time delayed in the system. Means time spent in the system. But here in this case, we are noticing something else. Actually, just the opposite. The time of entering the system and time of exiting the system are different. That should be different, but it is just the opposite. So, why this matters to the scientists? This is strange, no doubt, because this is defying our understanding of time. This is going against our understanding of time, no doubt. But why this is so interesting for the scientists? Scientists are expecting that this thing could be used in the development of faster quantum computers. Means quantum computers could become faster by using this technology. Means if we could manipulate light and matter that way, light, matter and time that way, that time goes in the backward direction, okay, as we have got in this experiment, or those scientists have got in this experiment. If we could be able to manipulate time this way, then in that case we could be able one day to develop quantum computers even faster than at present. The field of photonics could be improved this way by using this technology, or by this strange fact of physics. Again, in the case of quantum communications, that thing can also be improved by using this technology, and many more technologies, many more new technologies could be developed by using this. If we could really manipulate time this way. So in the quantum world, what we can see, in the quantum world we can see that the concept of time is not so straightforward as we thought. It's not so straightforward. Concept of time, it's something else. Okay, so this was all about today's topic. Okay, so in a recent experiment, scientists have got this result. Anyway, so this was all about today's topic. So this is the end of this video. Thank you for watching this video.